heartbreak. Be my only one, be my one on one. You're my only one, be my heartbreak.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we'll be going ahead and dyeing Rayne's hair, tightening her locks, and then adding braids to her hair, because that's what she wanted. So you see we have the colors here, French cognac and Cajun spice. Y'all can't speak. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I am a kitchen specialist, hairstylist. Okay, we have 3 girls. And yeah, to save money, I have learned how to do hair with my husband's help. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and the music. Oh, look at Yorkie. You know, I don't get to see the cats normally because they are always up somewhere. But anyways, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. And yeah, if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the red box down below. Turn the red to gray to join the family. Let me know in the comment box below, have you ever dyed your hair? For the first time in my life, my year 40, I was turning 40 last year, I dyed my hair red, and I haven't dyed it again. But I might do it again. We'll see. All right, y'all enjoy the music.
Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you're my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one. Be my only one, you're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me then, babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. Calm you down cause you been acting reckless. Flood the ring and I bust down the necklace. Doesn't mean a thing, just know I spend it. Doesn't change a thing, just know I spend it on you. Get you Louis if you want it, no, that's nothing, no. You can tell me that it's something, but it's nothing, no. You ignore me, but you're always on that phone. Acting funny, but you tell me that you love me, though. Yeah, you tell me that you love me, though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it, that it's something wrong. Babe, just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you're my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one. Love message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me then, babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. I was doing me, left you neglected. Now I feel the pain, I feel the tension. I know I did you wrong, it's unexpected. I know I did you wrong, but I still checking on you. Now you tell me that you're leaving, but you frontin' on. Getting done, I'm going out like who you stunting for. Girl, stop playing, all I'm saying is when you coming home. Say you hate me, but I really know you love me though. Yeah, I really know you love me though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it, that is something wrong. They just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you're my only love. Be my heartbreak, be my one on one, be my only one, you're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me then, babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. finest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Yeah, Amaru. I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body lovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey.
I want to thank y'all so much for watching this quick video of me dyeing, retightening, and braiding my daughter's hair. And this is the final result. She enjoys her hair. She loves her hair. She's been doing the most with it because she is 19 and she's feeling herself. So as always, we are the family that love life and having fun, to give you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Don't forget to click that red subscription box down below and turn the red to gray to join the family. And we will see y'all on the other side. Peace out, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a blessed day.
Go make you go lovey-dovey.